Hello developers, in this video tutorial I am going to teach you how to crop and upload images using jQuery, PHP and Ajax. As you can see that I have already published an article about this topic on my blog codingdiksha.com. I have also given this article link on the video description. Okay, let's move on to the tutorial. Let me open the Visual Studio Code first. It is opened. Now I am going to open the project folder, JavaScript. As you can see that there is a image file inside this folder, logo.png, right? This is the Android logo file. Okay, now let me create a new file. To crop and upload images using PHP, jQuery and Ajax, I am going to use one jQuery plugin called Croppy. As you can see here, Croppy. Croppy is the jQuery plugin which is used to crop the images before uploading the images, right? You can find the Croppy in github.com. You can install the library using the npm command also. Otherwise, you can include the Croppy using script tag on the link. They will provide the CDN also. You can find more details about the plugin here. Okay. You need to create three files. The first one is index.html and the second one is script.js and the third one is upload.php. First, let me copy and paste the HTML code. I am going to save the file as index.html. Okay. You can see that inside head section there is a title tag with image crop. Inside the body section there is a div with the class container. After that the h3 tag with image crop and upload using jQuery with PHP and Ajax. After that there is a paragraph select profile image. After that we are getting the image input using the input element type equal to file and name equal to upload image, id equal to upload image, accept equal to, it will accept only the images, right? Finally, there is a div tag with the id upload image. Then there is a button with the class crop image, crop and upload image. Finally, there is a div with id uploaded image. So it will display the cropped image, right? Then we included the jQuery, Croppy and other JavaScript files using the script tag. Then we are going to include the CSS file using the link. Finally, the body section and the HTML section. That's it. Now let me create a new file again. Now I am going to copy and paste the JavaScript code. And I am going to save the file as script.js. Change the save type as all files and save. That's it. On document ready, a function will be called .crop image hide. So we are hiding the div section using the .hide function method. You can see that crop image. The button. We are actually on the load. We are disabling the crop image button using this code. Double quotation .crop underscore image .hide. Okay. After that, image crop equal to $symbol upload image .croppy. Actually, this is the plugin codes Croppy. Enable exif true. If you want to enable exif, then you have to mention it true. Otherwise, you can mention it false. We can set the viewport width 200, height 200, type square. We can also change the type to circle or anything whatever you want. Then the boundary with height. Finally, upload image on change. We are declaring a new variable reader equal to new file reader. Then render on load, we are rendering the element using that image crop.croppy. Bind, we are binding the results. Finally, in the console.log, we print jQuery bind complete. Finally, we read the data as the URL. Then we will show the image. On click on the function .crop image function, we are going to execute this codes image crop.croppy, type equal to canvas and size equal to size colon viewport. Then the response, we are going to call the file upload.php, type post data image. On success, we are going to append the image to the hash uploaded image section. That's it. We are going to finally hide the button again. Okay. Now let me create the third file, upload.php. Save the file as upload.php. That's it. Using this file we are getting the images, that's it. Okay, now let me run this project. For that, click run and run without debugging. It looks like a browser is already from your old debug session. Please close it before trying to address VS Code and connect it. Okay, actually there is a browser already running. I'm clicking debug anyway. Okay, as you can see that it is showing the choose file button and the empty image here. When I click the choose file, I can choose the image file. Now I'm going to select the Android logo. You can see that there is a box to crop the image. I can zoom and I can zoom out. Now I'm going to remove the Android text, so I'm using this option. Then finally I'm going to click the crop and upload image button. When I click that, the image will be cropped automatically, then it will be showed, but it is not happening. I don't know what's the problem. Please wait, let me check. Actually it is blocking the files because of CORS policy, CORS policy. That's the error. No issues. Let me open the image in the different folder, so it may solve the problem. I saved the file in desktop and I opened the file. Right, I can move the image like this. Actually I found the solution. Actually we are running it in the local host, right? So C colon users Ranjit Music, but if you upload the same script in the live domain with the HTTP protocol, then it will work. Now it is not working because of this CORS policy only. To fix that, you have to upload the code to the domain, live domain. Let me check whether I have uploaded or not. Okay guys, I uploaded the project to the live URL. You can see that demo.codingdiksha.com/the URL. But here it is not working. When I click the crop and upload image button, it is not working. Let me run it in the live server. When I choose the file, it is showing here. I can move and I can crop. Let me crop first. Okay. When I click the crop and upload image button, as you can see that it is successfully cropped the images and uploaded the images and displayed the images in the server. Okay, that's it guys. So it is working perfectly. It will not work in the local host, but it can work in the live server. If you have any doubts about this tutorial to crop and upload image using jQuery, PHP and Ajax, then please leave a comment. I will help you. If you want to receive more useful videos about like this, then don't forget to subscribe this channel.